One of the biggest struggles when it comes to getting a new website for your service business is how to set yourself apart from other companies. Otherwise, you just get a redesign of the same old thing. It'll just be probably mobile responsive and looks a little bit nicer, a bit more modern. But it still doesn't do the core job of making you stand out from the competition. So imagine, like a lot of our clients, that you are a busy word of mouth based company that delivers an expert service. Now you get a referral come along, and the first thing they're going to do is check you out. But also, they're not silly. They're still going to check out a couple of comparison quotes from your local competition. You know, it's like on Facebook. Someone say, hey, does anyone know a local builder or local tiler or local plasterer or local whatever service? And they'll get a few recommendations. And the problem is, when there's 3 of you in the pot, if nothing sets you apart, makes you stand out as the excellent service, as the top choice, it drops back to price. If you'll do the same thing and you'll say the same thing, it's going to drop back down to price. Then it's a race to the bottom. They're going to pick the best quote and the leanest quote rather than the best person for the job. And it's important that you use your website to make you stand out from the competition.